the assembly, and today we are going to see how to make this vice jaw with dimensions. So let's make it in CATIA. For that, open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then part design. After that, write here bench wise at the part 1, and then this window will be pop up on your laptop. After that, select any plane and then go on sketch option from here. So let's make it. I'm using this profile command first. I'm sketching half part so I can mirror it and make it very easily. So I'm making sketch step by step. After this, at this point you have to use this tangent arc, so you can make one half circle, and now our half sketch is ready. So let's give constraint, let's use this constraint option to give dimensions. Length of this line is given as 16 divided by 2. I am using 16 divided by 2, that is 8, because I am just sketching half and the dimension of whole length is given there, but I am just sketching half, so I took that. Distance between this external axis to the central axis is given as 64, so I am using here 64 divided by 2, that is 64 divided by 2, that is 32. Now distance from this axis to this line is given as 9, so it's 9. Distance between this to this line is given as it's given as 10. It is given in already, it is given in figure. Now our the radius of this circle is given as 16, and that is the now we have to select this central axis, center of the circle with the central axis, and have to go on this constraint box, and we have to use here coincide option, and after that click on OK. Now our next part is we have to use same for this. Select the axis of the arc and the central axis, and then use this coincide box and go on constraint box, not coincide box, and now again use this coincide constraint, not coincide constraint, it's just constraint, and angle between both of them is given as 25. Now distance between this axis to this axis is given as 36. So our sketch is completed, our half sketch is completed. Now I'm selecting all the lines, and remaining lines should be selected with using control option, and then using this mirror command, and I did it mirror. After that, go on exit to workbench and use this pad command. The given pad is of thickness it's 32, no it's not 32, it's 22. Then click on OK. After that, we have to sketch on this, so select that plane, that surface, and go on sketch option from this. After that, we have to use the here projection command and project the lines as given here, as I'm projecting. And again one thing from here. Now we have to make one rectangle, so select rectangle. We have to make the rectangle intersecting this 3, 1, 2, and this one is the third point. So make it. Now our sketch is completed. After that, use this trim command to trim unwanted part. I'm rubbing this 2 green lines because there is already yellow line present. So now our sketch is ready. After that, go on exit to workbench, and now given thickness, let's use this pad command, and after that the given thickness is of 10, so write the 10 and enter it. Now we have to sketch on this surface, so go on the surface and then click on sketch option from here. Then use this circle, we have to make one circle, so make one circle of radius, the radius diameter is given as 12, so use this constraint option to give diameter, and diameter is given as 12. So we have to coincide this circle with this. So select both of them, then go on this constraint box and use here concentricity, not concentricity actually, coincide, and then click on OK. Actually this is in green color. Wait a second, I am taking it back by using Ctrl Z. Now again select this surface, select that, and then this circle and constraint box, then concentricity, and then click on OK. After that go on exit to workbench. The depth is given as 24, so use this pocket command and give depth of 24. It is given in sketch. After that we have to make one hole here, so first use this hole command from here, and then click on the surface on which you want to make one hole. After that go on this sketch option from here, so you can decide the position of circle. So now let's make circle, let's give dimensions. Now you have to coincide this point with this axis, so I am selecting both of them, and after that constraint box, after that coincide, and then click on OK. Similarly distance between this external line to this point is given as 20, so write here 20, and then go on sketch option. The hole is decided at here. You have to select this V bottom and our type is blind. So let's give diameter. The diameter is already given as 10, and its depth is given as we have to select type from here. So select type, we have to use this, no, not this, counter bore. We have to use counter bore, and then go on this type option, and first you have to give diameter here. So diameter is given as 10 and its depth is given as 4, and after that in this extension diameter is given as 6 and its depth is throughout. So you can see from throughout it is increasing here, so click on OK. This is how we have completed this side, and now we have to drill on this side. So select the surface and then go on hole command from here and make one hole there. So we have to first go on this sketch option to fix the position of the hole. So select this hole point and the axis, then go on this constraint box and use coincide constraint, and after that click on OK. Now again this distance between this external axis to the hole is given as 8, and now our hole is ready to do. So after that go on exit to workbench, and we have to select type. Our type is simple type, so we have to select V bottom, it is already selected. So let's give diameter and depth is given as 16 and diameter is given as 6 and depth is given as 16. So click on OK. Now similarly we have to sketch on this side also. So select hole from here, select the axis on which you want to hold it, and then you have to go on sketch option from the constraint box, go on sketch option, and then again use this as 0, and distance between this external axis to the center of the hole is given as 16 plus 8, it's 24, and after that go on exit to workbench and our type is blind, and this is how already selected, and then click on OK. All dimensions are right, and this is how we have completed our sketch. Thank you so much guys for watching it.